guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. I am giving you a quick tour of Kalia Tower at Hilton Hawaiian Village, located in Honolulu, also other known as the Waikiki area. So we stayed there for a couple of nights for my Honolulu Marathon 2019. As you can see, they have a beautiful Christmas tree upon entering the hotel. What I like about this hotel is it's not that super big, but they have a really nice lobby. They have Starbucks in the lobby and it's very quiet. They have a beautiful Hawaiian painting or murals on the side of the ceiling, and it's really quiet, but it's still in the middle of Waikiki. Please enjoy. Hey you, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Cindy. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of our room here in Waikiki. It's okay, you don't have to hide. So this is our two bedrooms. So which bed do you want to sleep? Okay, here or there? Okay, so this is our room. It's really tiny, but it's okay. So we have, oh, guess what this is? What is this thing? PlayStation
3. PS3.
Okay.
It's a terrible one because it's a terrible.
All right. So this is the room.
I can buy some games with this.
So these are the beds. It's kind of small, but it's okay. Good for 2 people.
Wait, it's a DVD player.
Let's open this. Oh my goodness. So we are actually in Hilton Hawaiian Village in Kalia Tower. So that is going to Ala Moana Mall. That's towards Honolulu, main Honolulu. That is your pier, Alawai Pier Harbor. And this is Hilton Hawaiian Village, and you have the Tapa Tower, I believe. I hope I'm not wrong. And those are the pools. That's a Japanese, some kind of Japanese restaurant slash temple. And below, people, you have jacuzzi and swimming pool that I want to try on. And that is the Rainbow Tower over there. But I prefer it here because it's a little bit quieter. And that's Honolulu, and that's beautiful, pretty. There's a refrigerator I forgot to show you. It's a mini fridge. I gotta put ice and the drinks in there. So you got your key, and you got your pen that I want to steal later.
Look, they actually knew about it.
Yeah. And then let's go see the bathroom. So we have a standard
Coffee machine.
hello standard coffee machine. Good for 2 people. I'm probably gonna drink all the coffee. You got the tea, you got your brewed coffee, and they're really good, by the way, made by Ka'u Coffee Company, Ka'u regular or Anue Nue. And your ice thingy. What do they have here? I think they have a closet,
And a safe with
a
millions
safe
of
with $1
dollars.
million. If you want to keep your $1 million here, good.
Yeah.
You got your hanger, but you can't take it home because, oh yeah, you can.
Here comes mine.
And you got your iron thingy, extra pillow, and let me see what else. The bathroom is not that big, but it's just enough.
It's a regular bathroom.
Ooh. Ooh. Hi. Look at the mirror.
My
Oh, look at the mirror. So big.
world's biggest pool.
Yeah, and the shower. And that's me. Hello. How are you all doing? Oh my goodness. And the shower. It's not that big, but it's
A standard ship.
standard, but it looks comfortable. Anyway, this is the view at around noontime. Hilton Hawaiian Village has a lot of towers, but my favorite are Rainbow Tower and Kalia Tower. They have very beautiful swimming pool and saltwater pool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.